This video, I'm going to show you how you can post notifications on Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to post all Slack activities such that you don't receive any notifications from any channel or from any account, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is to go to your account and then head down here and click on it, and you see we have post notifications option here. From this, you can go ahead and choose the length of time you want to post this. You can post it for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, until tomorrow, next even week, or you can also customize your time using this custom, and this will give you an option to set a standard time. You can also go ahead and post for all except VIPs, and this will go ahead and post notifications for all the others except for the VIPs. You can also set a notification schedule by using this option. So if you want to post up to tomorrow or next week, you can just go ahead and click on the time frame, and now your notifications will be posted. And now you can see here, if you go back to notifications, you can see post notification is on. So that's how you can post notifications in Slack.